Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, introducing Apple Vision Pro, the era of spatial computing. Apple Vision Pro is Apple's first spatial computer, a headset that blends augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, to create a new immersive experience for users. When you put on the Apple Vision Pro, entire world is waiting for you. Your favorite applications float in front of you. But the impressive part is, all are in space. First time in history. Apple introducing the spatial computing device. Let's talk about the price, compatibility and other details. Price. Apple Vision Pro is expected to cost $3,500. Release date. Apple Vision Pro is expected to be released in early 2024. Compatibility. Apple Vision Pro will be compatible with the latest versions of macOS and iOS. System requirements. Apple Vision Pro will require a Mac with AM2 chip and at least 16 GB of RAM. Weight. Apple Vision Pro is expected to weigh around 1.5 pounds. Battery life. Apple Vision Pro is expected to have a battery life of around 2 hours. Apple Vision Pro best features. Vision Pro features an ultra-high-resolution display system, eye tracking, hand tracking, and spatial audio to create a sense of presence and immersion that is unlike anything else on the market. Here are some of the key features of Apple Vision Pro. Ultra-high-resolution display system. Vision Pro features two 8K displays, each with over 23 million pixels. This gives users a stunningly sharp and immersive experience. Eye tracking. Vision Pro uses eye tracking to track the user's gaze and adjust the display accordingly. This allows users to interact with apps and content in a more natural way. Hand tracking. Vision Pro uses hand tracking to track the user's hands and fingers. This allows users to interact with apps and content in a more natural way, such as by grabbing and moving objects, or by typing text. Spatial audio. Vision Pro uses spatial audio to create a sense of depth and space. This allows users to hear sounds as if they are coming from different directions, which helps to create a more immersive experience. Best part is that you are not isolated like users had an experience with VR devices. If someone around you, we both see each other. You can view your photos whatever size you want it to be displayed. Even panorama view make your view more exciting. Vision Pro introducing first ever 3D camera. You can catch your moments with extraordinary department. You can build your movie theater where you want. It's changed the environment full cinematic. You can resize the screen up to maximum level and experience the full theater mode in your room. The best part for M is to play your favorite game. Simply connect your console and enjoy the best audio and visuals with your favorite game. You can create your workplace anywhere you want. FaceTime allow you to connect with people for business meeting and many more, and even connect your Mac very easily. You can transform your environment. Now the future of spatial computing is here.